as the border tension soars between India and Pakistan, and the border infrastructure that we see has been upgraded. Today we have come to this Mughal road. These are one of the treacherous and the rugged terrains when it comes to infrastructure here. Even this is something that India has strengthened. Although this is the Pir Panchal range where you see the kind of docks that has been constructed, but these docks, even if a situation escalates, can be used for shelter. Even the population that lives on these ridges, the population can be shifted to these such docks. These are the couple of docks that we see here along this Pir Panchal Ridge, which is one of the important pieces as far as the Pir Panchal Ridges are concerned, the ridge that connects Kashmir with Jammu region. This is the Mughal road widening through Kishtwar, Rajouri and South Kashmir. It is more than a terrorist infrastructure, terrorist infiltration when the terrorists infiltrate, because recently we have seen in Pahalgam attack where the reports are coming in, those who carried this attack, the Pakistani terrorists had used these very ridges to infiltrate into the Kashmir valley. So these ridges are being strengthened by the security forces, by the Indian army and the other forces. So in a kind of, if there is any operation, anti-terror operation that is witnessed here, then definitely this type of structures will be a great help to the community. It's a home to communities, those now who are living in fear, because after 26 lives were lost in Pahalgam, there is a fear among the population. Also, people have been left guessing what next. As we move around, we see the infrastructural development, the alertness on the ground, alertness on the ridges. When these ridges are very treacherous, very tricky ridges, as the snow cover these passes.